Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some shabby chic inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Shabby chic inspired home decor is a cozy and romantic decorating style that combines vintage beauty, soft colors, and a comfortable lived-in feeling. It mixes antique style furniture with delicate fabrics, floral patterns, and distressed finishes to create a warm and charming home. Main features of Shabby Chic decor use soft color palette. Shabby Chic homes usually use light and calming colors such as white, cream, soft pink, peely blue, she's cream, and light gray. These colors make room feel airy, peaceful, and vintage inspired. Distressed furniture. Furniture often has an old or aged appearance with chipped paint or weathered wood. Popular pieces include vintage dressers, antique tables, whitewashed cabinets, ornate mirrors, and rustic wooden chairs. Use floral and vintage fabrics. Soft fabrics add comfort and elegance. Common materials include lace curtains, floral cushions, ruffled bedding, cushion blankets, and linen tablecloths. This style often feels feminine, nostalgic, and cozy. Decorative accessories. Shabby chic spaces use charming vintage decoration like candlesticks, vintage clocks, wicker baskets, fresh flowers, antique picture frames, and porcelain vases. Cozy and relaxed feeling. Unlike modern styles that look perfect and polished, Shabby Chic celebrates imperfections and comfort. The goal is to create a home that feels welcoming and peaceful. Why people love Shabby Chic decor? It creates a warm and romantic atmosphere. Its vintage items add character and history. Shabby chic inspired home decor is deeply connected to vintage beauty, handmade charm, and comfortable living. The style often feels like stepping into a peaceful countryside cottage, filled with treasured old furniture, soft fabrics, and romantic details. The history of Shabby chic. The style became especially popular during the 1980s and 1990s. It was inspired by Old English cottages, French country homes, vintage flower market fires, antique furniture with aged finishes. Designer Russell Ashwell helped make the style famous by decorating homes with comfortable slip-covered furniture, distressed wood, and soft pastel colors. Color combinations often used. Shabby chic spaces usually avoid strong charred colors. Popular color combinations include white and blush pink, cream and sheets cream. Use soft gray and lavender. Also beige and dusty blue or ivory and pastel mint. This combination creates a calm and relaxing environment. Bedroom style. Shabby chic bedrooms often look dreamy and elegant. Common features include floral bedding, layered pillows, ruffled blankets, vintage bedside tables, white wooden bed frames, lace curtains, and soft lighting. Many people also use cushion blankets and handmade cushions to add warmth and personality. Living room style. A shabby chic living room often includes comfortable slip-covered sofas, distressed coffee tables, vintage books, fresh flowers, antique clocks, soft rugs, and decorative candles. The room is designed to feel peaceful, welcoming, and full of charm. Importance of handmade decor. Handmade decorations fit perfectly with shabby chic style because they add softness and uniqueness. Popular handmade items include crochet pillow covers, knitted throws, handmade flower arrangements, embroidered table runners, DIY painted furniture, vintage style wall art. This makes the style feel personal and creative instead of overly modern. Decorating on a budget. One reason many people love Shabby Chic Decor is that it can be affordable. You can decorate using cheap store furniture, flower market finds, DIY repainting projects, old messengers, second-hand mirrors, and Pinterest fabric scrap. Imperfection actually make the style more beautiful. Outdoor Shabby Chic style. This style also works beautifully outdoors. A Shabby Chic garden or balcony may include white iron chairs, flower baskets, wooden benches, vintage lanterns, floral cushions, and stick watering cans. The outdoor space feels cozy, romantic, and inspired by country corners gardens. While the style feels timeless, Shabby Chic remains popular because it combines vintage elegance, comfort, soft beauty, handmade charm, and emotional warmth. Instead of following strict modern trends, it focuses on creating a home that feels peaceful, personal, and welcoming every day. Shabby Chic inspired home decor is also closely connected to storytelling and nostalgia. Every room often feels collected over time instead of purchased all at once. The style celebrates old memories, vintage beauty, and simple comfort. The imperfect beauty concept, one of the most important ideas in Shabby Chic design, is that imperfections are beautiful. Furniture may have chipped paint, faded colors, old wood, vintage scratches, aged metal finishes. Instead of hiding these details, Shabby Chic Decor highlights them because they add character and history. Wall decoration ideas. Walls in Shabby Chic homes are usually soft and decorative rather than bold. Popular wall ideas include floral wallpaper, antique mirrors, vintage picture frames, botanical artwork, wooden sign, white painted panel walls, hanging threads. Soft wall colors help the room feel larger and brighter. Curtains and window styling. Windows are often decorated to create a light and airy feeling. Common choices include lace curtains, sheer white drapes, floral fabric curtains, linen panels, ruffled valances. Natural sunlight is important because it enhances the softness of the room. Flooring style. Shabby Chic flooring usually looks firm and natural. Popular options are distressed wooden floors, whitewashed wood, soft vintage rugs, floral area rugs, light neutral carpets. Layered rugs can make the room feel extra cozy. Mixing old and new. A beautiful part of Shabby Chic decorating is balancing antique items with newer pieces. For example, a modern sofa with vintage cushions, new white cabinets with antique handles, fresh flowers in old pictures, modern lighting with rustic old furniture. This balance keeps the home comfortable while still looking timeless. Why it feels so relaxing. Shabby Chic homes often feel emotionally comforting because they include soft textures, gentle colors, warm lighting, handmade details, and personal vintage treasures. The style encourages solo living, creativity, and enjoying a peaceful home atmosphere. Shabby Chic inspired home decor also focuses heavily on creating emotional warmth and personal comfort. The style is not about making a house look perfect. It is about making it feel loved, peaceful, and full of charm. Signature decorative pieces. Certain decorative items are commonly found in Shabby Chic homes because they help create the soft vintage atmosphere. Popular pieces include vintage teacups, porcelain pictures, floral china, distressed picture frames, antique clocks, crystal candeliers, rustic candle holders, wicker baskets, and fresh or dried flowers. These details make rooms feel layered and collected over time. Floral decoration style. Flowers are one of the most important parts of Shabby Chic decor. Both real and artificial flowers are used to soften the room. Popular flowers include roses, lavender, peonies, hydrangeas, and baby's breath. Flowers are often displayed in messengers, vintage pictures, ceramic vases, rustic watering cans. Floral patterns are also commonly used on curtains, pillows, wallpaper, and bedding. Storage ideas in shabby chic homes. Storage in shabby chic interiors is usually decorative as well as practical. Common storage ideas: open wooden shelves, wide vintage cabinet, wicker baskets, antique trunks, glass doors for kitchen storage, rustic wall hooks. Open storage helps display beautiful vintage items instead of hiding them away. Bathroom decorating style. A shabby chic bathroom often feels soft, elegant, and spa-like. Popular features include white or pastel towels, floral shower curtains, vintage mirrors, wooden shelves, candles, lace details, small flower arrangements. The goal is to create a relaxing and romantic atmosphere. DIY ideas for shabby chic decor. Many people enjoy making shabby chic decorations themselves because handmade items fit the style perfectly. Easy DIY projects include painting old furniture white, distressing oud with sandpaper, making crochet pillow covers, creating floral shades, decorating messengers, sewing lace curtains, repurposing antique containers. DIY projects make the home feel unique and personal. The role of texture. Texture is extremely important in shabby chic design. Rooms often combine soft cotton, linen, crochet, lace, or that old, rattan, knitted fabrics. Layering textures create a cozy and inviting environment. Modern shabby chic. Today, many homes use a modern version of shabby chic by combining plain white walls, simple furniture, vintage accents, soft neutral colors, minimal clutter. This creates a fresher and lighter look while still keeping the romantic vintage charm. Why many people feel connected to this style. People often love shabby chic decor because it feels calm, romantic, comfortable, creative, personal, and nostalgic. It reminds many people of countryside cottages, family memories, handmade crafts, and peaceful living. Shabby chic in a smart home decor is also about creating a home that feels gentle, lived-in, and emotionally comforting. The style often combines elegance with simplicity, making everyday spaces feel warm and welcoming, instead of formal or overly modern. Entryway and hallway styling in shabby chic homes. Even small spaces like entryways are decorated with charm. Common ideas include vintage cut hooks, distressed console tables, antique mirrors, small floral arrangements, rustic lanterns, open baskets for storage. These details make the home feel inviting from the moment someone enters. Dining room atmosphere. A shabby chic dining room is usually designed to feel cozy and elegant rather than formal. Popular elements include white or distressed dining tables, mismatched vintage chairs, floral tablecloths, candles and fresh flowers, antique desk cabinets, soft hanging lights. Many shabby chic dining spaces look inspired by old English cottages or French country homes. Popular fabric choices. Fabric plays a huge role in the softness of shabby chic interiors. Frequently used fabrics: linen, cotton, lace, velvet accents, crochet textiles, and embroidered fabrics. These materials add comfort and visual warmth to every room. The importance of natural light. Shabby chic homes often feel bright because natural light is highly valued. Large windows, sheer curtains, and soft wall colors help sunlight reflect throughout the room. Natural light mix. White furniture glows softly, pastel colors appear calmer. Vintage textures stand out beautifully. Rooms feel larger and fresher. Decorating small spaces, Shabby chic style works especially well in small homes or apartments because the light colors and soft textures create an open feeling. Helpful ideas for small spaces: use white furniture, add mirror to reflect light, choose open shelves, use soft pastel accents, avoid heavy dark furniture, decorate with delicate accessories instead of large bulky items. This keeps the room cozy without feeling crowded. Common mistakes to avoid. Sometimes rooms can feel cluttered if too many decorations are used. To keep the style balanced, avoid overcrowding shelves. Use a soft, limited color palette. Mix texture carefully. Leave some open space. The goal is cozy elegance, not clutter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.